Next we're going to look at magnesium. Magnesium itself is a metal, it's a cation, and so in soils with high cation exchange capacity we can get banking in the soil. What's it for? Well, magnesium is vital for chlorophyll production. It's the element that sits right in the middle of the chlorophyll molecule. Without sufficient magnesium we often get some very pale looking crops. It is also a key to the activation of many enzyme systems within the plant, and we have some significant interrelation with phosphate. If we put some magnesium, get some magnesium into the plant, that will improve phosphate uptake. It is often an issue in spring barley, where the symptoms can be confused for rincosporium deficiency. The importance of magnesium cannot be overestimated in cereals, in rape, and in fact in all our regular food crops. In cereals, we know that if we don't have sufficient magnesium available during the maturing period of the crop, then we will have thin grains and we will have poor quality grains. And the equivalent occurs in other types of crop. The plant is quite capable of moving magnesium around, not quite as readily as it can move nitrogen around, but in a matter of days it can move nitrogen from the older leaves to feed the new tissue, the new developing or grain filling, whatever. Problem is, in many soils, plants can only take up magnesium from very much the upper layers of the soil, the top 4 to 6 inches, which by the time we get to ripening kind of dried out, and so there is no magnesium available. The plant then starts to strip magnesium from the leaves to feed the grain fill or the pod fill, and that can create some significant issues because we've spent a lot of money protecting that photosynthetic area so that we can get maximum energy into the plant to the height of the availability of energy from the sun to get the best possible yield and quality of the crop. So a supplement of magnesium at the later stages of growth in many forms of crop will produce significant benefits, not just yield but quality.